I'm a Michigan constitutional crusader, rising up when the world goes cold. No badge can break me, no chains can take me. Truth in my veins, a fire and bold. Fire and bold.
Right, let's see if the Herdington has anything to say. Got windy all of a sudden. Got a little windy all of a sudden.
A little bit.
I see one person standing there.
Yeah. Probably have to go to the front to see the teller.
Oh, they spotted us. That person spotted us. He was just looking at us. Yep.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, there's another old wall right here.
I see that.
With another chiropractor. What? What? Oh. You got all kinds of stickers on his Equinox. 2025 grad.
Oh, he just candidated.
Yeah.
He loves Route 66.
Oh, okay.
That's what it says on the sticker.
Okay.
If you love Route 66. Come on. Come on. Oh, nice.
Cam back.
Come on. Yeah.
Now I gotta get a picture of his face. Cause he did a cam back. I was just recording the car until he did the cam back. I think the best time we had at a red light or stop sign was over there in Livingston County.
Oh, out in the country?
On what road was that? Was that Chilson Road?
I don't even remember.
I think it was Chilson Road.
Yeah, that shit was hilarious.
No, it wasn't Chilson. It was Latson and Crooked Lake Road.
Oh, okay.
She looked back that time and went, what? Yeah.
Cafe. Cafe.
Yeah.
Cardiac Project live at the Arc. October 30th. What's the Arc? Must be a concert venue. Trick or treat, peanut free, gluten free. Cool. Oh, you know, sir, you bought her flowers. That's so sweet.
Specialty lattes. Ooh, Northside BLT. Holy shit, $15 for a BLT?
Damn.
Gonna bump their head.
Damn, $15 for a BLT.
Must be a
That's
half-pound
insane.
BLT or something.
That's insane.
Oh, she's watching a movie and doing homework.
Oh, multitasking. Gotta love
Yeah.
that.
Or is it work?
Might be work.
I can't tell.
You pretty puppy. Oh. Oh, you gotta drop this there, you bet.
Yeah.
You gonna smell everyone.
I like the black hair accents. That's pretty
Is
cool.
that a Malamute?
Yeah, she's a mix.
Oh, mix?
Yeah, she's
Pretty.
with Kane Corso.
Oh, wow, really?
Who's really good for
Cat pet?
Yes, sometimes she's friendly. What's that?
You know when they let you pet them, they know you're a good person.
Oh yeah. She's like not super affectionate either.
Right.
She doesn't even like pets.
Really?
Yeah,
She's pretty.
She's like to play.
Oh, I bet. She like to jump like the other Melanays, super
Yeah.
high and shit.
Non-stop, yeah.
Got a tire hanging in the trees.
Yeah. Sometimes when we're throwing the ball, it'll like take a bad hop, you know?
Uh-huh.
Go straight up, and she'll jump straight up. Just
Wow.
Almost to her back.
How high can she jump?
Pretty high. She's like 6 now though, so she can't go
Oh,
that high.
she's getting old, isn't she?
Yeah, you see it in her jumps now. She still
Yeah.
tries, but she doesn't quite get out of there.
Have a good one, man.
Cam back.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. Wow.
Okay, she said.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
Already, dude. Oh, this is all open. Look at that in there.
Chiropractor
in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We could go in there too.
Good.
Maybe.
I like the sun right now. I'm enjoying
Right?
that sun.
What's in here?
Hello, Med.
Hello, man. Doesn't look like they're open.
No, done. I gotta get my weather wool, my wool hoodie and stuff clean.
Right?
Yeah, it needs it in the worst way. And you can only have that dry clean. You can't wash it.
I don't think he ever needs a coat. He's wearing one. He's got a Arctic coat
That's
on.
alterations. A sewer.
Oh, yeah.
Sewer.
Cool.
Altering the garments
Yeah.
to make sure they fit.
That's
Right.
cool. Got a wave.
That's it.
Ocean nails.
Looking for a wave and a smile. Smile and a wave.
I'm doing some nails up in there. No pedicures right now, just one manicure.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh, wait, there's somebody.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's just sitting there.
It's chill.
Got his laptop and everything. He's just kicking back.
I like watching them do. I like my all natural nails.
Right? Hey, look at him grinding the way out.
Grinding the shit out of that acrylic.
Whoa.
Damn.
She heard that.
No, definitely. That was
Oh,
a
look
little-
at us in the mirror.
Yeah. Oh, hi, I see me.
She's not going to wave back.
No,
She did nod her head a
I
little
was
bit.
waving at myself.
Right? She did nod her head a little bit, though.
She did, yeah. Oh, she's done grinding.
Yeah. Or she changing the tip.
Oh,
I think she's
changing
just changing the tip.
Changing tip.
Now it's the buffing tip.
Oh yeah. Grind and buff. I
Yeah.
grind and buff every day. Heck yeah. Awesome. State Farm. Looking for Jake.
Oh, okay.
Looking
Sounds
for
like
Jake.
fun.
Oh, looking for Jake. Oh, is that Jake? There's Jake. Right there, there's Jake.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
there's Jake.
Yeah.
I found
Looks
Jake.
like Jake.
I found Jake.
It does look like Jake.
It does look like Jake, doesn't it? See?
Yeah.
I found Jake. Oh, Camback. Wow, really? Holy smokes, that fast?
A came back from Jake?
No, from the girl. I just walked up and she was Cambacking.
Really?
Hello. Huh? Is Jake in there? I'm looking for Jake. Oh, man. She said we can come on in. That's a first.
Right.
We should go in.
Should we?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not? Hello. I was looking for Jake. There he is. Found him.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
not
That
the
guy in there looks a lot like
He
Jake.
does look. I thought it was Jake for a minute.
Absolutely. How can we help you guys?
We're just walking.
Walking around.
Okay, absolutely. Well, thanks for stopping in.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Thanks for inviting us in. You have a great day.
Yeah, have a wonderful day.
Bye, Jake.
Oh, another little inside area.
Oh yeah, it probably goes all the way around. I think
Good.
that probably goes all the way around.
It might, yeah.
Hallway we was in.
That is possible.
What is this?
Just an
Strawberry,
entryway.
Strawberry. I wonder if they got strawberries.
Probably out of them.
I don't know. They got a lot of baked goods in there though. Cake.
Oh, yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Cakes and breads.
Yeah. Cakes and breads. Heck yeah, man. Love it. Oh, there's their menu. See if we can get a picture of it. There's the menu. And the prices. Heck yeah.
Cool.
So is it
Cool.
evergreen? Oh yeah, evergreen.
Apothecary.
Apothecary. Apothecary. I love how they have the poles on the shopping carts so they can see the carts going up and down the aisle.
Right. Actually, the carts with poles are so they can't go out the door.
Ah. So you can't take your cart to your car.
Yep. So they don't have to hire somebody to collect the carts.
Ah.
Whoops.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to the sidewalk out front. See what I see.
Starbucks. Sharp butts. I'm gonna go right up to the front door.
Oh yeah, why not?
Hey, maybe I'll go to the drive-through window and you can go to the front door.
Smells delicious.
Always. We have spectators in the parking lot, and one of them's on the phone. One of them's wearing an apron, too. No, this is people over from, like, I don't know, the nail salon, or maybe they're all over there on the back side of this parking lot that's right in front of the Starbucks. Oh yeah, all the nail techs are outside too. There's a whole crowd of people over there. The one we walked by a minute ago. Just look over there at that strip mall. You can see the crowd of people standing there pointing at us. That's funny. Where did you go?
Be safe. You guys need anything? No? Okay.
We're good. Hello, where did you go? Copy.
Hey man, we're minors. Can you not film us without our permission?
I don't need permission.
Okay, but we're minors.
It doesn't matter. I don't need permission.
Can I ask what the video's for?
It's going on YouTube.
Why?
You want to advertise the business?
No.
Okay.
Just wondering what the video's going to be about.
Just touring the area. Seeing how people react to people exercising their First Amendment.
Okay.
Have a nice day. How's it going?
Just know here, clean weed. Don't find anything else out there. I don't care what you smoke as long as it's
Smells
organic,
good.
Living soil grown.
That's what
as
I'm-
nature
that's what I'm
intended.
about.
You gotta flush out chemicals.
Yeah.
You just hang up the plants.
Yeah.
Like my stepdad used to.
That's the way it should be,
That's
right?
the way it should be. And I got that's
I live in
how.
Lansing, dude.
That's
Everything
cool.
over there is such garbage, man.
It is.
And now they're putting THCA labels on everything. I'm like, man, we're, you know,
Which we're reading.
everything's that now. It's like you guys are just pumping out this garbage weed that's not costing you hardly anything to produce, and then you're trying to sell it for, well, I would say top dollar, but I mean, it's still pretty cheap.
I can't bring back behind the door without that dude. I can just
Well,
show you what I
Michigan's
got in my
gonna be
pocket
one
right
of
now
the-
where I will smoke on my break here.
Yeah.
It's my miracle
Michigan
alien
has to be
cookies.
Michigan.
What's that?
Cheapest and like highest
Oh,
quality
yeah.
in the country.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
I mean, Colorado's cheaper, but it's not as
They don't have the quality that Michigan weed has. I would agree totally.
And that's a nice thing, man, because I got to pinch myself, because I've traveled a lot of places and been all over this country, and I smoked a lot of bad weed, and to be able to come home and then have the weed here,
Right.
you know, be like, I don't have my stepdad pick his brain, but it must have been organic, because when I found this place, I wasn't always, with them. I was a lawn care professional, and I was just looking for the good bud in Michigan. On my quest for the best, I call it.
There you go.
And I finally run into Apothecare at a third-party location there. So like shit. Why does this remind me of my, Dan's weed or my stepdad Brian's weed?
Right.
And it simply has to do with it being organic.
Yes.
And having no chemical interference to not only poison but destroy the plant.
Oh yeah, it will.
I think we're preaching to the choir.
Well, that's the thing, but I like preaching.
But it's so
It's all
fine. Dispensaries and stuff now that carry just organic stuff. Everything is just commercial now, and I hate that.
And it's almost from the same 3 or 4
Well, this guy
guys
will
that
talk your ear off for an hour. I'm going to go do something.
Get out of here.
Have a good one, man.